Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you the step-by-step process of creating professional subtitles in Adobe Premiere Pro 2024. I've got this clip on my timeline that I would like to add some text to. First of all, you have to select the Type tool and click somewhere on your preview panel. Then navigate to the Effect Controls panel and expand the text section. Style your text. This can include font style, stroke, background, or even shadows. And type the first text you would like to appear. Once you are done with the style, create a keyframe at the current position of your timeline cursor. Move your timeline cursor forward and change your text. This should automatically create another keyframe on your timeline, allowing you to change the position of your text in your timeline. Please note that if you change the style of your text, your previous texts will not change. Alright, that's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video.